Okay, so we've got a 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee in a Laredo edition. Nice sandy sort of gold metallic. Travelled 130,000 kilometres. Got the tow bar there, reverse camera, tinted windows, alloy wheels. But geez, the outside presents in excellent condition. Good value at $22,999. We'll take a look at the interior as well. So we've got the cruise control on the steering wheel there. Then you've got your Bluetooth connectivity. There's your dash there. You're 130 the kilometres. Good service history. Big colour screen. Climate air conditioning. And then you've got your four-wheel drive options there as well. Now the interior is a leather trim. Electric seats, side airbags, but that's all in very good condition. There's your front passenger. There's your back seat. All looking good as well. And I'll just show you inside the boot. So a nice big boot as well. All inquiries welcome. Please give us a call.